Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So, today is 10th of May, and it's a weekly analysis video for all of you. And you can see gold 1 week time frame, 1 week chart. This is a kind of pattern gold has made in the last 3 weeks. So, you can see what happened yesterday and day before yesterday, and also in the last week, we will cover everything and what will be the most important data that we will going to be covered in this particular video that will going to be impact the news and how market would behaves because of there are certain newses of war and tensions going on between India and Pakistan. So let's cover everything quickly. Okay, so this is a gold weekly chart. If you're coming for the first time, guys, please like and subscribe the channel so that you will get all the important informations on a daily basis. Okay, so the last week low of gold is 3205, and gold has made a superb recovery. After that, on the Monday and Tuesday, it went jump up to 3436 because of Donald Trump and Japan news that Japan has already told that we will not going to apply the same reciprocal trades and we need some space. So because of the tariff war, it just suddenly goes up. And from there, we also got a news on Wednesday and Thursday that US has already reached with a negotiable point with UK, as two major countries has already came towards a contract that we will going to apply this same particular tariff plans. And after applying all the tariffs to the different nations, okay, UK is the first country who has which particularly came as in you can say a mutual agreement with USA to apply the tariffs. Okay, so after that, gold was suddenly crash, and because of that, you can see 100 points movement down into the gold prices, 32 up to 3325. Okay, so the weekly low, the previous week low was 3206. We have to understand this particular level, and we have to mark this particular level because we may expect the next week, if gold will fall from the from the support prices, then it will be a immediately fall up to this price as well, not up to this price, but at least there are some hurdles between the gold prices that have to face. So according to that, 32000 will be working as a major support. And please remember that this all support and resistance level are on the basis of weekly analysis, not on the daily analysis, because daily analysis videos we posted differently. Okay, so this one is working as a major support. Now let's get back to 1 hour candle chart. Let me first show you 4 hour candle charts. Okay, so this is a 4 hour time frame, guys. This is a 4 hour time frame, and you can see a clear cut a decline pattern into the gold prices. You can see first dip, then second a major dip, and then third dip, and then the last fourth hour candle, the last one which made yesterday on Friday, you can see this one, there was a proper uh, a bearish candle with full volumes. So it gives a closing around 3325. That is likely a full bearish candle. Sellers are very heavy. It might be expected the same trend will follow, so then gold prices immediately gives you a levels down up to 33,375 as well. And if this breach, we can expect the prices can fall immediately up to 3200 as well. That's why I have just drawn a particular this line, because last two times gold has taken support from this area and bounce back, so it likely to be retest next week again if prices falls, and if you can say sellers are being very heavy on the prices. But interesting thing is, because every time whenever a war happened, like in the last 3 to 4 years, we have seen two major wars. First one is Israel and Palestine, second is Russia and Ukraine. In both this time, gold has gone upside, and after post pandemic, okay, after COVID, gold has given a superb rally, and almost from 1600 it jumped up to 3400. But this time it was a very surprising that India and Pakistan is about to take a verge on the war, and India is likely attacking Pakistan, and Pakistani army also attacking on India, but still the gold is falling down. Okay, so this will create a lot of buzz into the market, and gives a lot of you can say uh, confusing elements into the market, that where market will goes. But as you all know, that market is not working as per the technicals in this situations. Market will always working as a driven and data driven. So what are the important data which we have in this next week? Let's find out. So let's go to 11th of May. We don't have any particular, and then 12th of May we have no major data on Monday. And then on Tuesday, let's find out, we have an important data, that is CPI. In the US time, we have a CPI, core CPI month on month data, that is very important, which is considered to be one of the most important while taking any interest decisions, as it is an inflation based data. And then we have a data of GBP, that is claim amount change data, that will going to be affect little bit, but yeah, not more than that. And then we have a government of Bank of England governor speech belly will going to be speech. Then let's get back to 14th of May. We have an wage price index of odd. Then we have no major data on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, 15th of May, we have unemployment change and unemployment rate in Australia session. So in the morning, you have to take care of that. And in evening, we have major data. Again, that is price index data. Purchase price index is our core retail sales also in PPI and retail sales. It's just, a very interesting thing that both this data came, along with on a different days. But this in May, they all are coming on a same day. PPI generally came after CPI. Like suppose if CPI came on Wednesday, PPI will come on Thursday, and retail sales will come on Friday. But this in this particular month, it is very interesting that all the five datas, PPI, retail sales, and unemployment claim, are coming on the same day. And above all this, cherry on the cake, Fed Chairman Powell will also going to give a speech on the same day. So it will be the most volatile day of this week. That will be the Thursday on 15th of May. So you have to take care about that as well. Now let's get back to Friday. I think Friday we have nothing as such a special. Okay, so we have a prelim UN consumer sentiment. Consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. This can be, a mild data. Last time there was a no specific, movement happened in this particularly, but the major actionable day, the major action will be occurred on 15th of May. So you have to take care about this. Now let's get back to the chart of DXY. DXY interestingly showing a increasing pattern. You can say it is going upside after taking a support from the down two or three times. You can see these are the patterns. So if it is possible that if it will come down here and then bounce back, and if this breach that particular level of 100, then we can expect the levels can go up again, and gold will fall immediately. As a result of that, gold can came down here. One second, gold can came down here, and if this breach, we can expect the levels can go down more up to this. But I'm not expecting these levels. I can expect only up to 3200, that can be likely to reach. 3266 will be also working as a major support. So what you can do in the next week, if you have any particular position on the sell side, then you can stay with your sell position, because overall market trend is little bit bearish. But if we see a monthly chart, then there was a strong bullishness from on the chart of gold. Okay, so market is in the indecisive mode. Whether it will goes, I am expecting that it likely to be reached up to 3284, 3275, and from there it will take a support and then bounce back. So being a safe side trader, being a day trader, or being a swing trader, what you can do, you can buy from dip at least around 3265, 3270. If you see the price came down here, one second, let me zoom it for you. If you see the prices are falling up here, so then buyers will take a price up here, and then it will move back up again. So then 3340 will be working as a resistance first, and then 3400 will be working as the next resistance, and then 3500 will be working as final resistance for all of you. So let me just mention it again for here for all of you, the support and resistance level. Support will be at 3275, and then 3260. If that breach, then we can expect 322 will be likely to be occur. Resistance, always remember, I am giving this support and resistance level based on weekly analysis. This is not daily analysis video, guys. Okay, so support and resistance will be 33, one second, 3350, then likely to be 3380, this area. 3380, sorry, 3370, and then 3400 will be again the new level. Trend is almost on a weak side because from last few days gold is falling and going up, but at the same intensity it is coming down as well. So sellers are very heavy again in the prices. So it might be possible that it will take little bit of support somewhere else and then it will bounce back again because of the news. So we have to find a better place for buying, and if you're if you want to sell, then if you will going to sell on a rise, then it will be the best for all of you. Okay, so this kind of analysis you will get from our side. If you're coming for the first time on our channel, guys, please like and subscribe. And this is our Telegram channel ID, fortune signals underscore admin. If you want to know about our free trials, if you want to know about our service packages, if you want to know about our free channels on Telegram, you can message us here on fortune signals underscore admin. Definitely we will going to help you, and if you have any questions further, you can ask me. And I will suggest you to not go for any particular scalping or quick trading unnecessary. If you don't have any analysis, if you don't feel any conviction, then stay away from the market, because market is not based on the technicals, it is data driven, it is news driven. So sometimes technical will not work in this particular situation, and it might be possible we got losses as well. Okay, so take care about your capital, and if you want to take any help, then you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp as well. On YouTube description box, you will get our WhatsApp number, and this is our Telegram channel ID. You can reach out to us here as well. Till then, see you. Bye bye, guys. See you on the daily analysis video on Monday. Thank you so much.